Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule Instagram stories on Meta Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're in the correct business account and connected Instagram profile. This is the main workspace where you can plan and manage content across your social channels, so it's a convenient place to handle story scheduling in advance. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Planner. The Planner view gives you a calendar-based layout of your upcoming and past content, which makes it much easier to organize posts visually. If you're planning content for a campaign, a launch, or simply trying to stay consistent, this section is especially helpful. Inside the Planner, find the sample date you want to use and click Schedule on that date. This tells Meta Business Suite that you want to create content for a specific day rather than publishing it immediately. Choosing the date first can help prevent mistakes and keeps your publishing calendar organized from the beginning. After that, click Schedule Story. This opens the Story Composer where you'll prepare the Instagram story that will go live at your selected time. Be sure you're in the story creation option and not another post format, since feed posts and stories use different layouts and publishing behaviors. Next, select the sample date. This confirms when the story should be scheduled. Take a moment here to double check the day you've chosen, especially if you're scheduling multiple pieces of content close together. Even a quick review can save time later. Now enter the sample text for your post. This is where you add the content for your story. Keep your message clear and concise, since stories are designed to be quick and easy for viewers to consume. If your story supports a promotion, announcement, or reminder, make sure the wording is simple and easy to understand at a glance. Once everything looks right, click Schedule. Meta Business Suite will save the story and place it on your content calendar for the selected date. This lets you prepare content ahead of time and keeps your posting workflow more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an Instagram story using Meta Business Suite. If you're creating content regularly, using the planner and scheduling tools can help you stay organized, reduce last-minute posting, and maintain a more consistent presence on Instagram.